When it comes to advanced WordPress tools, two names that pop up are Kinsta and WP Engine. But which one truly offers more when it comes to features and performance? In this video, we'll compare these two hosting giants and help you figure out which one suits your needs. Stick around till the end because, after testing both, I'll share what I believe is the better option for users like you who want top-tier WordPress tools. Let's dive in. First off, Kinsta is built on Google Cloud's premium network, providing excellent performance and scalability. This gives it an edge for anyone looking for high-speed hosting. With the ability to choose from a variety of data centers across the globe, you can rest assured that your site will load fast no matter where your visitors are coming from. WP Engine, on the other hand, uses a combination of AWS and Google Cloud infrastructure. While it's reliable, it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility when it comes to choosing where your site will be hosted. Next thing, let's talk about user interface. Kinsta's dashboard is sleek, modern, and easy to navigate. It's built to give you a quick overview of your sites, and it's very intuitive, making it perfect for users of all experience levels. WP Engine's dashboard, while functional, can feel a bit cluttered compared to Kinsta. It's not as streamlined, which can be a bit of a hassle when you're managing multiple sites. That said, WP Engine does provide some robust features right out of the gate, including a staging area and automated backups. But Kinsta just feels like a better designed experience overall. The third thing to consider is performance. Both Kinsta and WP Engine have solid uptime guarantees, but Kinsta has a slight edge here. Thanks to its use of Google Cloud's platform, it boasts some of the fastest load times on the market, which is critical for SEO and user experience. WP Engine's performance is also good, but it doesn't have the same optimizations that Kinsta offers, especially with caching, which is key for WordPress sites. Moving on to customer support. Kinsta's support is top-notch, with WordPress experts available 24/7. They respond quickly and know their stuff. WP Engine has a good reputation for support, but Kinsta's WordPress-specific knowledge tends to be more in-depth. For example, if you have a complex issue with a plugin, Kinsta's support team is more likely to troubleshoot it in a way that's tailored to your needs, while WP Engine support, though helpful, can sometimes feel more generic. The fifth thing to note is pricing. Kinsta is generally more expensive than WP Engine, especially for higher-tier plans. However, Kinsta's pricing reflects its premium performance and excellent customer support. WP Engine, while cheaper at entry levels, does tend to increase in cost as you scale. If you're just starting out or need a more affordable solution, WP Engine might look more attractive, but if you're after premium tools and faster speeds, Kinsta is worth the extra cost. Finally, both Kinsta and WP Engine come with great features like automated backups, staging environments, and performance monitoring. But here's the kicker. After testing both, I found that Kinsta's flexibility and performance make it the superior choice for those who want cutting-edge WordPress tools. That said, both of these platforms are solid options. But if you want a better alternative that provides all the advanced tools you need with even more flexibility, I'd recommend giving the platform in the link below a try. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial available. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your WordPress site perform at its best. Check the first link in the description and get started today.